everybody, it's Mark from Boot. I'm just here at Boot headquarters and I want to talk to you about the key principle behind getting back into your fitness if you've fallen off. Now, this is what I call participation. So the participation principle is coming back in, getting into the environment with the emphasis on just participating. So a lot of people come in with big expectations, have these massive goals that they want to achieve, get six-pack abs or lose 20 kilos or whatever, and that's great. But I've seen so many people fall off because they're setting lofty goals which are really huge, which is awesome, but they don't attack it in the right way. So this is what I want you to do. When you come in and you're getting started, come in with the mindset purely of participating. Now just participate, do workouts, don't put too much pressure on yourself, don't thrash yourself till you're super sore. Just come in and get in the groove and ease in, and then over a period of 2, 3, 4 weeks, then we will slowly start to dial it up. So the first goal is just participation, team. That is it. Boom.